Hi, I'm Drew Sanford here at MarineMax Huntington, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of our brand new Sea Ray 290 SDX. So we're going to start here at the transom with twin Mercury Verado 250 outboards finished in white. And then if you walk over to the side, you're going to see that folding swim seat, make it easy to get in and out of the water. We start working our way up with these amazing aft folding seats. You could fold them down to have a nice little bit of extra room to move about, or you could have them up facing for water sports, enjoying anything like that. We're going to start walking in to our step down deck, finished in the gray sea deck. You're going to have your cockpit table with plenty of storage underneath. If we keep walking forward, you'll see our Domatec refrigerator with cooler storage under here as well, with your sink down here as well. We're going to keep moving up to our helm with our digital 12-inch SIMRED display with our joystick piloting for those twin Mercury Verados. You're going to have your Fusion Deluxe stereo, the upgraded stereo, as well as a double wide helm seat and a passenger seat as well. In here, we're going to see our step down head with a vacuum flush system so we could pump out with ease. We have our bimini top. And if we walk through towards the bow, we have index storage as well with the same sea deck. If you think you're interested in this boat, come check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call at 631-424-2710. We'll see you then.